How you going, guys? Back with another unboxing video, this time of the Tamiya Nissan 300ZX Turbo kit. First, before I open the box, I just want to say the main reason I got this kit is one, because I like 300ZXs, but two, just the image on the side just shows sort of how aesthetically pleasing this kit is, with the glass roof all the way through, so you kind of get a full view of your interior once done, which I think is just an awesome way to show off everything that you've done. It also comes with the engine, which, I mean, everyone's different, but I really enjoy doing engines on these model cars. So just that image there really, I think, is just super aesthetically pleasing, and will sort of allow me to really get into the finer details of the kit. But yeah, I have big plans for this kit. I'll explain that as we go through it. Yeah, so now let's open up the box and have a look. Alright, so as we can see, it's a lighter kit. It's not extremely super detailed in terms of like big amounts of trees with parts on them and stuff. I haven't opened any of these bags yet, and I probably won't for this video. We'll just have a bit of a look at what's in there. As you can see, there's a lot of engine parts in there. Some of these Tamiya kits, they do a half engine, so it's kind of like either like on the Porsche, for instance, the Porsche 911 GT2 that I have. It's just sort of the underside of the engine. There's no top side of the engine, so it lacks a bit of detail in this, in that regard. Sorry, I'm unsure about this one, whether it's just a top side engine or a full engine. Either way, though, like I said, I mainly got the kit because I think it's very sort of aesthetically pleasing. You can see the body there, a lot of different glass areas to sort of view into the car. This is a 124 kit as well, so standard size, I guess. It's the 300ZX body there. Comes with the rubber tyres that they usually come with. What I plan to do with this kit, though, actually, is I plan to buy some aftermarket 3D printed body kits. There's a few different variants out there. There's a really popular one. I don't know the name of the creator, but I've seen it on a lot of kits. It looks really nice. It's a full over fender kit with spoiler, front, rear, sides, bumper and side skirts. And then I'm also going to get some 3D printed aftermarket wheels as well. Probably some like BBS LMs or something like that. So yeah, I'm going to sort of go a bit hard on this kit, make it look really cool. But yeah, so as you can see, you sort of get your standard 300ZX wheels. Obviously, I'm not using them. I'm going to save them for something else, who knows what, but they will come in handy in the future, maybe for an S13 or something, I don't know. But yeah, it's honestly a pretty light kit. Like, you've got your clear plastics, your stickers, and then this one bag is basically all the trees. So yeah, I guess not a very long video. Just sort of give you a bit of a view of what's in there. There's only, how many trees are in there? There's only 3 trees, so yeah, quite a light kit. But yeah, that about does it for the 300ZX. As I said, the kit's quite light, but that's why I'm sort of going to go a bit crazy on it. I won't start this kit for a while. I'm still working on my 240Z. I know it's not really part of this video, but I'll show a little bit of the engine that I completed for my 240Z. As you can see, I like to go pretty hard on the details. So yeah, when I see that a kit has an engine, it excites me a bit. A little bit of cat hair there on top of the engine. But yeah, cheers for watching, and next time I get a new box, I'll do an unboxing. Cheers.